So today I'm in Zephyrhills at a location you're only going to find on Waze because this place is so new. It's not even on the maps yet. This is actually the more finished part as you drive in. There's a lot of construction going on down here. So we're going to put in a 2-car epoxy floor today. This is before we've done anything. It's a couple rough patches. You know, everybody thinks it's brand new concrete, that it's there's no problems. But there's some problems here. And we're going to fill this expansion joint with our epoxy compound so we have a nice seamless floor. And I haven't done anything yet except get set up. So we did bring our own power today because the customer's dryer vent is on the second floor, dryer is on the second floor, so we'll just run it off the jetty. And we're good to go. We're going to start. Okay, so we got the compound joints filled. A lot of little doodads filled in, little holes here and there. Get everything already prepped up for tomorrow. This color is going to be Domino, which is just black, white, and gray, totally neutral. The house here is white, so it's a perfect match. And this is what I always recommend to people because you cannot go wrong with this color. It's really a great looking color, especially once it gets the top coat on. A couple more patches. And what I did today was I did the edges. So tomorrow, I could just work in from the edges themselves. I'm gonna collect these chips. And then I'll be able to lay epoxy right into this edge and know that I have full coverage. This is a pretty good sized divot right here. That got fixed as well. So tomorrow's another day. So we're all ready to do the pour of epoxy and broadcast chips. So we got our epoxy all ready to go out. Have our chips all ready to go out. You can see what these patches look like, nice and smooth. Everything is nice and smooth. So this is when we did the cut-in with chips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to overlap this a little bit because it's a lot easier to do this ahead of time than to worry as you're doing the big pour, cutting in. You know, you can see everything looks really good. Happy with it for sure. So I'll be back with the a quick video of the full broadcast. So here we go, got the top coat on. So you can really see how the floor over here in the sun. Really see how the floor is starting to sparkle now with the top coat on here. If they put some LED lights in this garage, this color floor is going to reflect a lot of light back up. And this is our full chip system, so the customer already has the written lifetime warranty on the floor. It'll never delaminate from the concrete. So we, again, we filled up all the expansion joints, we went around and we policed all the divots and stuff like that that were on the floor prior to putting in the epoxy and the chips. And this is what you wind up with, a nice, seamless garage. New home, new homeowners are gonna have this for a very long time. Thanks, everybody. Bye. Okay, so we're all ready for the top coat pour now. Again, this is the color Odomino. We've done all our prep except for the top coat, and then we're finished. So today, we came back and we smoothed everything out. Get ready for the top coat pour. So this floor right now has no life to it. I mean, it looks really nice, but there's no shine to it. As you can see, it's kind of a little on the dull side. Once we get this top coat on here, which is the urethane top coat, this thing is going to pop. So I hope I remember to shoot a video when it's all done. Thanks.